How to create a Facebook page, a step-by-step guide. Facebook is the largest social network platform in the world with billions of active users. Creating a Facebook page for your business, brand, or personal use can help you to connect with your audience and share your message with the world. Today we will tell you how you can create a Facebook page. Step 1. Sign into Facebook. The first step is create a Facebook page is to sign into your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can check link in description and create your Facebook account. Step 2. Create a page. Once you are signed into your Facebook account, you will need to click on the Create button in the top right hand corner of the page. From the drop down menu, select Page. Step 3. Choose a page type. Facebook will then ask you to choose the type of page you want to create. You can choose from several options including number 1, business or brand, number 2, community or public figure, number 3, entertainment, number 4, cause or community. Choose the option that best fits your need and click on the Get Started button. Step 4. Enter your page information. Next, you will need to enter the name of your page and choose a category that best describes your page. You will also need to add a profile picture and cover photo. Make sure your profile picture is clear and recognizable, and your cover photo represents your brand or message. Step 5. Customize your page. After you have entered your page information and added your profile and cover photos, you can start customizing your page. This includes adding a description of your page, creating a username, and adding a call to action button. Step 6. Add content. Once your page is set up, you can start adding content. This includes photo, video, text, post, and link to your website or other social media platform. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to your audience. Step 7. Invite people to like your page. After you have added content to your page, you can start inviting people to like your page. You can invite people from your personal Facebook account or through email. Thanks for watching.